Welcome to Code with Vinay. Many students have this misconception that one can write anything inside a comment, which is not always true. Today, we'll be exploring whether we can write anything we want inside a Java comment or not. First, let's review what a Java comment is. In Java, comments are used to add descriptions or notes to code, but they are ignored by the compiler and have no effect on the program's output. There are three types of comment in Java: single-line comments, multi-line comments, and documentation comments. Let us understand this with the help of an example. I'm going to create a demo class and then I'll remove all the boilerplate text. I'll simply say class demo and then within that we'll have our main. Now right now there are no comments. Single line comments start with 2 forward slashes and continue till the end of the line. For example, this is a single line comment. Multi-line comments start with slash asterisk and can span multiple lines. For example, this is a multi-line comment. Similarly, documentation comments start with slash asterisk asterisk. There are 2 asterisks and they can also span multiple lines. For example, I can say this is a documentation comment. Now, back to our original question. Can we write anything we want inside a Java comment? The short answer is yes. We can write almost anything we want inside a Java comment, but there is an exception. In Java, Unicode decoding is done before lexical translation, which means that the compiler will be able to read and understand characters from any language as long as they are properly encoded in Unicode. So, if I use a Unicode escape which is illegal, then the program will not compile even if it is inside a comment. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Suppose I want to display a character using Unicode escape. So I'll say system.out.println and then within the parenthesis, I'll give the Unicode for the character I want. So let's say I want to display A. The code for A is 65 in decimal, but here we are supposed to give it in hexadecimal. So I'll say /u followed by the 4-digit hexadecimal code, that is 0041. And then if I compile and run this program, I'll get capital A. Let's check it. So if I compile and then run the program, I get A, which is perfectly okay. Now the important thing over here is that if I give an invalid code over here, for example, hexadecimal numbers are from 0 to 9 and A to F. If I make this 1 into Z and I again compile the program, it's not going to compile. See, it is saying illegal Unicode escape. Now till here it's okay. We are trying to give an illegal Unicode escape and the computer cannot run the program. But the interesting point is that Unicode decoding is done before lexical translation. That is, even if I comment this line out, the code is not going to compile. See, again we are getting illegal Unicode escape, and the point over here is that computer is first decoding the Unicode and then it is trying to go with the lexical translation, that is the compilation process. So, as you can see, we have a comment and inside a comment we have an illegal Unicode escape, but the program is still not compiling. So, the concept that you can write anything within a comment is wrong. The point to be noted over here is that /u followed by anything which is not a valid Unicode escape will be problematic. For example, if I correct this error over here and I add one more comment, I say computer/user. Now this looks harmless, but please note /u is not being followed by a valid Unicode. So if I compile this, this is again going to give me the same error, illegal Unicode escape. Unicode escapes, if not used properly, can have other interesting unintended consequences also. For example, let me first correct this problem. So now this problem is gone. And now suppose over here I say /u 000A. Now 000A is actually the code for new line. So what will happen over here is that when I'll compile this program, computer is going to convert this into a new line, and what is looking like a comment will now actually execute. So if I compile this program and I run it, we are again going to get the character A. See. Therefore, the conclusion of this discussion is that you may write anything inside a comment other than invalid Unicode escapes. This brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, happy coding. Your feedback is valuable to me. I want to make sure that my videos are clear and helpful. You can follow me on the internet on any one or all of these channels.